Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to this special event. I'm not normally live at this time of day, as you know, but and in fact, I don't go live over the weekends. But today, I felt it was important to come on and go live with you because there's a lot of drama today. You've probably seen crypto world is collapsing. And the name of this video is The Truth. We're going to get to the truth today. This isn't going to be nice for some people. Some people aren't going to like it, but nevertheless, this channel is based upon nothing but the truth. So let's have a look at Bitcoin BTC today. It's collapsing. I've been saying now for a while this can go to zero, and people keep telling me no, it can't. It can't possibly go to zero. Yes, it can, because it doesn't do anything. If I'm investing with my money, I'm investing in things that will make the world a better place, that actually do things that serve a purpose, and can pretty much guarantee making money in the future. Bitcoin BTC is merely a belief. That's all it is. That's everything. That's the only reason why it goes up. Whether it's crypto, whether it's stocks and shares, the only reason these assets go up is because people buy them. That's it. And we now live in a world of social media and influence. And everything is controlled by the media. Everything is controlled by YouTubers, not by me, because I don't do clickbait. I don't promote anything. And I'm going to prove to you today what I'm talking about with promotion, what I'm talking about with hype, made up stories, corruption, scams. It's all on view today. So I want to welcome everybody that's just come in live. We've got CNV Studio. Tom has just come in. Ram101 was here before the show started. Welcome to you. Welcome to my guests over there on TikTok. Welcome to my guests on Twitter. Welcome to everyone wherever you're watching this afternoon. Right. Let's have a look at what's actually happening today. As you can see, my portfolio is actually holding up it's holding up, and there's a reason for this. It's not going down. As you can see, it's pretty flat today. It's hardly moved at all, despite all of this. Well, the reason is I've sold all my Bitcoin. I've sold all my Bitcoin. This is my Bitcoin. I sold it before it went down. I've not lost any money. I sold it at a wash, so I'm out. But my only crypto asset I have is BSV. Now, I want to make absolutely clear, I am not a fan of either. I am merely a fan of my own money, and I'm also a protector of your money, if you want to put it that way, all right? We're not here to pump. We're not here to promote. We're not here to get you to buy anything, and that is the problem. Some of you won't agree with what I'm about to say, but that is exactly why we are where we are. Big multi-million YouTubers with millions of subscribers have been telling us for a long time, buy Bitcoin, it's going to go to $1 million. And I have to be honest, I was influenced by it. It sounded great. It sounded believable. But at the end of the day, we're human and we're all led by emotion. And that's why we bought in this stuff. That's all it was, based upon no principles whatsoever. People will tell you, well, you follow the charts and you can see it. And I've been in arguments today with people, at least they've been arguing with me, telling me, you don't know what you're talking about. The charts do tell you the truth. Well, every time the charts show you something new, they tell you that that the outlook has changed. It can't break below this point. It can't go past this resistant point. Well, it's been doing it all day. And the rules have been changing all day. And now people are revising everything they ever said. Because at the end of the day, the charts do not predict the future. Uzumaki has just come in and said Bitcoin will not go below $10,000. I have to say there's no evidence to support that. And all day long, I've been doing some tests. I've actually been testing. As you know, I'm all about human behavior. I've toured 195 countries as the world piano man, and I've learned nothing more than people's emotions and understanding people's attitudes. And the fact of the matter is, today I've been putting posts on Twitter and I have been getting aggression from people, always on one side of the argument. The two would never come together. BTC people will never agree with BSV. BSV will never agree with BTC. And that's the problem, because while all this petty argument is going on, and remember, a fraction of the world actually own any crypto whatsoever, the majority of the world are watching on. All they see is people lying and promoting their own side of the argument. This wouldn't happen in a court. You can't stand in a courtroom and just, one side of the argument. There are two sides of the argument. And all over Twitter today, I've been testing people's emotions. I've been testing my theories. I would post one side of the argument, and then I'd post the other side of the argument, and all you ever got was the one side of the argument trying to promote and pump their side of it, never to get to the truth. And the reality is, whether we like it or not, we only make money when other people lose money. That's how this works. It's not a nice business. It's not a decent business. It's just simply we're trying to manipulate the market. Well, I will not do it on this show. This show has never stood for that. It stood for the everyman of the world, the 99% that aren't even involved in crypto at the moment. And what we've got at the moment, I must have tweeted 50 times today to test people's theory. And every time I post something, and it's got some element of positivity for BTC or BSV, that whole army jump on that and go, yes, it's great. And they share it and post it and share it and post it. Because at the end of the day, all they're doing is trying to promote it for themselves. And that is the reality of what's going on here today. So I felt I had to come on and say my bit, because no one actually wants to face the truth. Everyone just wants to promote their own thing. And I put out a discussion the other day, and I offered to do a debate like it's never been done before. When we all watched the BTC Bitcoin in Miami conference, it was all promotion for BTC. Then BSV have a conference. Promotion. How wonderful is BSV? No one comes together because nobody wants to face each other, because both sides of the argument are making up stories. Now, someone said to me, right, well, BTC can't go to zero. How ridiculous is that? It doesn't have it doesn't do anything. If BTC and Bitcoin went away tomorrow, what would actually happen? Nothing, other than people would lose a lot of money. That's real.